Until I can get that.
I can send it to you.
You're not filming continuously, right?
Or I just stopped right now.
Oh, okay.
And I just put it in.
That's bad.
It fit yesterday. Yeah. We didn't do anything to it. Yeah.
Hey, somebody go get me one of those wood blocks with sandpaper on it. Okay. That's part of their cantilever arch design.
This makes it more stable. I'm gonna laugh.
It will actually. All right, so here we go. You ready? And 500. Oh man, this is
Good into forward.
Death to bridge.
this is very precarious. I don't know how to do this.
That was their design.
Use a toe, or is this gonna be a whole ground?
Just let it go.
This bridge is not breakable.
Because
Someone stand on it. Oh, just kidding.
Huh, how do I do this?
You might have to use that.
Put blocks to put it.
but you're holding it, so
Has someone hold it on the side?
Yeah, we're just gonna do this. So that's 1 kilogram. It's already popping.
Yeah, I hear the cracking. Death to bridge.
1.5.
It's cracking.
I can see it.
Say goodbye to Franklin.
Straight down the center. 1.5. All right. Clean up. Clean up on aisle 6.
you're having too much fun with
This is
Impossible. You cannot have too much fun.
it. Can we break your bridge?
He didn't make one.
I haven't made one yet. I'm gonna do it for AP, not for.
Can we at least?
Yeah, can you like do it after school so everybody can come?
Yeah, that'll be fine. That'll be fine.
Sorry.